It's time to practice much-needed self-care. And being prepared for an emergency, it's vital to include preparing yourself mentally. If you judge yourself for who you are, you can't love yourself enough to provide self-care. Do you judge yourself for being too fat, too thin, or too old? Do you judge your sexual orientation, race, or passions? Do you judge your emotions, tears, or kindness? It has been proven that when you judge, you have a feeling of inadequacy or unworthiness, which makes it impossible to truly love yourself. Once you're aware of how you're judging yourself, you need to put positive self-care practices in place. It's time to remove those beliefs that cause you to be judgmental, then adapt new healthy beliefs to help you become your best self. This means that you have a zero tolerance with that voice in your head which spews negative judgmental stories, paying attention to those positive things that help you and encourage you throughout your day. Some of these things might be the number of hours you sleep, how much exercise you get, or the quality of food you eat. It could be spending time with loved ones, doing something creative, or taking regular breaks at work. If it gives you peace and joy, you're on the right path. Learn the technique on how to achieve this at Dragoyle.com. Then click on Dragoyle Diary. Dragoyle wishes you a high quality of life with much joy, peace, and love. And please share this video